In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix USB tethering not working on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is you have to make a right click at the start button and that you have to select Device Manager. Once you select Device Manager, it will open and then you have to locate network adapters. Click on the arrow to expand the list and you have to locate your network adapter. If you're not sure as to what is your network adapter, press Windows key and R button together. Type ncpa.cpl, hit enter. And this will be your network adapter from here, okay? Then right click, select Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now uncheck this option, show compatible hardware. And then scroll down and you have to look for we have to look for Microsoft, okay? Click on Microsoft and then scroll down. Then we have to look for this one. This one. USB RNDIS 6 adapter, okay? Microsoft, and then USB RNDIS 6 adapter, and then you have to click on next and Windows will successfully update the drivers. After that, you have to make a restart of your Windows once. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So for this issue, this method will work for you. It should be Microsoft and then USB RNDIS 6 adapter. Okay, so I hope this video helped you and kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.